Hello everybody. Adobe has just announced their AI product named Firefly. In today's video, I'll tell you all that we know till now, how you can sign up, and some details that you might have missed. Alright, let's get started. So Firefly is a model similar to Stable Diffusion, which allows you to use everyday language. That is what it means when you hear the word natural language to generate new content. And since Adobe already has a lot of tools like Photoshop, it's going to be integrated in all of those tools. So Firefly has a lot of capabilities. Let's watch their video to get started. Now there's one important thing I want to mention here, that Firefly actually gets its data from Adobe stock. So it has only used openly licensed work and public domain content where the copyright has expired. So nobody can blame its AI model on training itself on artists' work without asking for permission. And it has published this blog article on the responsible innovation in the age of generative AI. There's a big focus on ethics and responsibility here, which I really like, and it's respecting the creator's choice and control as it gets better in its generations. So I think one thing which makes Adobe Firefly different from a lot of other tools is their big focus on transparency. There's a big issue going on in the AI art community that a lot of generative AI tools are using creators' work without their consent and using it to train their datasets. So Adobe is going to push this concept of do not train credentials, which will allow creators to decide if their art will be used in training generative AI models. So I think this is a very important blog post to read, and I'll attach that to my description as well. If you go to firefly.adobe.com/gallery, you're going to see a lot of what Firefly has generated and what prompts led to that. Like for example, this one is a stairway to hell, which is chaotic, dark, and baroque. A detailed vector illustration of a cat. An iguana with great fashion sense like that. A glowing river in a cave. Now the first thing I recommend you to do is to create an Adobe account if you don't have one already. The next step after you log in is to sign up for their beta. If you click join the beta right here, it's going to open up the Firefly page, and then you click request access on top. This will bring you to your Firefly request page. All you need to do is to provide your name and email and the potential use cases that you're going to use Firefly for, and just click next page to submit your responses. I don't think you require a paid subscription of any kind, but maybe to access all its features in the future, you're going to need a paid subscription. But that's all I have for you today. I'll get back to my tutorial videos soon. But the last few days have been absolutely wild with the number of new announcements that are coming up in the AI world. But if you did get some value from this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.